Heating and air conditioning, condenser, heat pump, etc., split unit, package unit, etc. What is this gadget here that looks something along sort of like a about the size of a soda can per se, maybe not as big, but it's a silver little thingummy here, and it has prongs on the top. Has 4 on one. Let's see here. This one has, much to my chagrin, this one has 4, 4, and 2. So, okay, so this is a capacitor for heating and air conditioning. So, in a fictitious situation, we will say that capacitor season may be around May through August, somewhere thereabouts. Now, these things can go bad any time of year, but again, this is just a fictitious mnemonics here, but these things can go bad any time of year. But do keep in mind, when the temperature gets hot, they are prone to getting bad. They are prone to going bad. They can swell up. One may notice the top swollen and around the top. And if this is the case, if your compressor or your condenser fan motor stops for some reason, won't start, or it slowly tries to start and it goes, but it just doesn't have that oomph to get it going. So this is what they call a capacitor, a dual run capacitor. Now, one may ask, why is it called a dual run capacitor? Namely, it functions for two purposes, dual. This capacitor, so just remember two. This round looking capacitor here. Now, do all capacitors do this? No. But this particular capacitor here is a dual run capacitor. Now, again, remember, dual meaning two. 1, 2. So this is, we'll say this is a 2 for just a fictitious example, we'll say 2. Okay, so now what happens here? If one actually studies this thing, they see fan written here, inscribed. I'm not sure if written's the correct word. Okay, we go here. Then we come over here, and as one can see, the word herm. Herm is maybe a shortened term for hermetic, hermetically sealed. So we have the herm and we have the fan. So what are the herm and the fan? The hermetic is for the compressor. The fan is for the condenser fan motor. And the 4 prongs are the common. So we have a common, a herm, and a fan. So we're running 2, take the common out, forget the common. So there's your dual run. Okay, now this actually is part of it. But so we take this, and when we take the hermetic, that runs the compressor. The fan runs, so could one be bad and the other? Generally speaking, when they start to go bad with age, leaves, debris, heat may be one of the biggest enemies of these things. They could swell up, but they don't have to swell up. So basically, if you keep one, now, are all capacitors the same size? The answer is no. There are different size capacitors for different size motors and different size units. So this is a dual run capacitor. If you see something like this, or your HVAC guy comes out and he tells you your capacitor was bad and you had to change the capacitor outside at the condenser, this may be what he's talking about. So again, capacitor for HVAC uses. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. If you find these videos helpful, please share, like, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.